follow me. Ooh. Damn, nigga, I'm just spitting all over y'all niggas, man. What up, YouTube fam? So, yo, listen. Deva Bratt is on a fucking run. And we love it. Eating mangoes, you get me? So, yo, listen. Deva Bratt have a new song. A Vybz Kartel this. It's called Remember. One verse. So, I could just jump into it. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Please, follow me. Ooh. Damn, nigga, I'm just spitting all over y'all niggas, man. Please, follow me on my social media. I'm gonna leave it on the screen. Please DM me if you have subscribed. If you subscribe, just follow me and DM me. Remember, we have the PlayStation 501 giveaway because it's a long story. And it's not really a long story. I only get two. Is that Kaden did buy one for me Christmas because she loved me. Yeah, she loved me. She's mad over me right now. You see me? So yeah. So and me did end up buy one for myself for my Christmas, but she did buy that for a surprise to me because she loved me. She mad over me. Yeah. But anyway, just follow my socials and just let me know if you subscribe and comment down below and let me know. Yo, so we're gonna do a raffle. We want the 100 name. Excuse me, we want the 100 name and just raffle it and show the box. Say, yo, this is my appreciation to Dog because without Dog, we don't do this talk truth. You see me? Wanna like, wanna subscribe, wanna comment. Like, give me an opportunity for talk to Uno, which is what I love. But enough talking. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I can jump in that video right now.
To the sheep them, still a beat them. Under pressure them a butter. Crucial conflict.
Remember, if my pause are 10 to 17 seconds, we are trying to avoid the copyright claim. Now, we did research some ways around it, so we are trying to use it, so we are see if it works. So if it works, we can stop pause it every freaking minute. You see me? Guys, trust me. Me not like you chatting sometime, you know. Me love the music and me just want to listen to it and bust some shot after, but you know? Yeah. Play.
Confident, ready for defeat them. First thing you say you want be part of empire. Commanding chief, the boss, the emperor. We drink vibes and bust gun and pop color. From young guns, days islanders with bala. This thing a Marvin Dins, never make a dollar. Those are Azaba and me two bad mind brother.
Pull up this pussy clot, yeah. Sorry for the expletives.
To the sheep
It was needed.
still a beat them. Under pressure them a butter. Crucial conflict, confident, ready for defeat them. First thing you say you want be part of empire. Commanding chief, the boss, the emperor. We drink vibes and bust gun and pop color. From young guns, days islanders with bala. This thing a Marvin Dins, never make a dollar. Those are Azaba and me two bad mind brother.
When you get Deva Bratt so fucking, excuse me, expletives. Jesus, God, please stop. When you get Deva Bratt so upset, the man now start singing about his own brother them. Yo, when I love Deva Bratt in the brother.
And Craig Dennis gone home to Allah. Respect, condolence and honor. Me know you remember the war with Sasko and Spraga. We are bad from Diamond Sachs was a bagger. We are bad from had red scrape and a hanger. The shot I tell us if you chuck back in your mother. You kick down Ninja Man did and dada. Adi Bantan one dan young scholar. Ugly and
If you never know, before Vybz Kartel was Vybz Kartel, his name was Adi Bantan. So if you don't know, now you know.
see, like Salah Salah, now here comes the fame and glamour. Do you remember them time they a killer you a follow? Real backstabber you fi watch him in a vaga. Catch him as a ga wet niche up under the cabana. No care, him bare face, him a koala. Him post this a picture we no see when she a swallow. No.
Catch him as a ga wet under the cabana. Come back, okay, hear it again.
If you watch him in a vaga, catch him as a ga wet niche up under the cabana. No care, him bare face, him a koala. Him post this a picture we no see when she a swallow. Now a kiss past stage, licky back, walla walla. Your poor tongue pick shanty deal with it raga. You a demon real anti-gada. Me coulda tell you about your mother, but nobody suck your mother. Believe me, no dada love this snake and
Hear dog play them thing there? Hear dog play on words? I coulda tell you suck your mother, but nobody suck your mother. So reverse psychology type thing. He is telling him to suck his mother.
Stealing a dealer and stole it on the grabber. And leave the Deva Bratt make me on tongue gather. The food for me daughters, my wife and me mother. Me tell me son fi watch out for them gyal ya. Can't trust nothing, everything a backstabber. Still kill them with style and swagger. To the sheep them, me might seem like an attacker. Still I beat them, all when them a run and them a flatter. Me keep them, under pressure them a batter. Crucial conflict, confident, ready for defeat them. Them on a bad man, them a hacker. Deva Bratt a leader, me no follow backer. Go ask me what say, then ask Dapper. Peaceful Friday morning, nuclear get come. Me have to run with the piece, me could be no trapper. Shut a clap and a fire cracker, them turn on a chopper. 9 ball a kick on a sucker. You want see the emperor run like Asafa. Me can look at your visa if you come and marry Maka. Make sure say you link Jim Cuckoo or Shaka. Suspect.
So, him did get him visa. Congrats, Cartel.
I know them on the head ship and utter. Please help Black Rhino him Diana suffer. To the sheep them.
Well on there.
Know them on the head ship and utter. Please help Black Rhino him Diana suffer. To the sheep them. He might seem like an attacker. Still a beat them.
Deva Bratt. He's going through a very rough time right now, which is Black Rhino. Please keep him out of the war.
All when them a run and them a flatter. Me keep them under pressure, them a butter. Crucial conflict, confident, ready for defeat them. Confident, ready for defeat them. Confident, ready for defeat them.
Confident,
Ready for defeat them.
All right. Honestly, in terms of creativity, 10 out of 10. In terms of lyrics, 10 out of 10. In terms of flow, 10 out of 10. Writing, 10 out of 10. Bro, everything me I judge. Right now, the visuals, 10 out of 10. Cause Deva Bratt is on a different page right now. I love the consistency of Deva Bratt. And I see a lot of people commenting and saying this now gone away. Deva Bratt is using this as a platform for himself to get back into the music scene. He has been in the music scene, but not how he is now. And we can all be honest about that. Zane? However, my thing is this. Now that Deva Bratt is in the music scene, in full effect, we just want people to accept Deva Bratt is artistry, artistry, and know said Deva Bratt is not a walkover. Deva Bratt is a lyrical, Deva Bratt is a talented artist, you know, bro. So I understand that, you know. Deva Bratt is talented, you know. Not the fact Deva Bratt don't look punk, you know. Deva Bratt is very talented, dog. So I want to accept that, dog. I respect him and thing, bro. The man bad, bro. The man bad. You see me? But the song I 10 out of 10. But like, I really love if somebody answer Sean Stan, Black Rhino, somebody. Pop somebody. But unfortunately, them now give Deva Bratt the attention where Deva Bratt deserve. I'm not gonna say what him want, what him deserve. Because I don't love to see Deva Bratt fight war with a man right now in a dance hall. And Mr. People talk about IR, man. I don't know IR, brother. Bumbo. Excuse my language, I'm sorry. But yes, you understand? So anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Soon, next one.